Boy, I look like I one dance, you still know me.
We have 26 dance. How are you talking about?
I love you, I love you, I love
I
you.
love you too.
Yeah.
Where you come from?
Jamaica.
You don't. Yeah, whenever I close yours. Be honest. No.
One eagle upon the half.
Wala man, di ba? Pick up PJ, Chris.
Then I got your cover.
Barbecue place, they say, boy, what's this? I'm a Robert, man.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Your boyfriend eat blues on?
It sounds like you're saying blue balls.
Go on.
Congratulations on the house.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sweetie.
I would have drink for Nigeria, but they look tired.
One mama lure pony up, guys. One mama lure pony up.
Yes, people have to come look some Jamaican food, you know. Like I'm planting porridge in my woods. My green banana and some cow foot or kidney, you know. One piece of white yam. Yeah, so
Just thing I said to my mother, guys, she a foodie, you know, when she no get fear of food, man.
people cannot stand up, guys. I lie.
So you a bag?
Of course. Them people cannot stand up food after eat. You don't deal with fast food.
So what them they take up now? What you do with them now?
Boiled porridge, peanut porridge.
Peanut porridge with banana with the green plantain?
Of course, blend them with liquor water. What you talk about you?
How where you get that style from?
When what them the style?
Where you get it from? Me not ask you
Oh,
where
you
you know.
get it from?
How you make it up?
Yeah, no, I think where all time people deal with.
So you all time people?
Yeah. The green plant and the woods and the green plant. And
Me remember when we come in here and one man said we can't video.
Yeah.
And me go talk to the manager said we can't video. Secure so we can't video.
I drink on a jelly, but they look tired.
What you say?
I would have drink on a jelly, but they look tired. Look on it. They drink one right now, but they look tired. They are so tired.
Come take you up now, man.
Yeah, I'll pay for still, you know.
Oh.
For me, budget my money.
No, me don't want no ginger now. I don't like ginger.
All right, still.
Take up some for boy some tea, because you know say gas always full of.
Oh, just now for me eat. I mean,
Oh, there be a poop, ya poop.
oh, one thing me eat my food, just now set me up. I mean, must buy gas.
But it now take you up.
No, sir. Yeah, I ginger, I mean, I don't feel fine ginger.
I never have no more.
Eh? I ginger, I begin, they don't strike me. That's people, so they don't sugar fine there. $7.99.
A pound.
No, buy no.
So
Better me buy more banana.
so £2 and $16 something.
Me not buy.
Buy white yam then.
Buy. And me not love. Me not really love tough yam. Me love me real rent yam. Okay.
What the other name for renter?
Soft yam.
Like-
Soft yam. Not
So
buy.
you get that? That a white yam and $1.89 a pound, guys. See, huh?
Buy this alone.
So that of $1.89 and that of $7.90, $8, $8 a pound. Oh, see soft yam them over there, so.
Me not buy no yellow yam for them the price. And me have down there and me grow.
Lie.
Of course we have yam. What you talk about? But
Oh, yes.
now let's plant yam.
Not no fear for my father.
You have for me. We have for me. And missus.
Yeah, Mrs. Garrick now.
Yeah.
So, mommy, you finally have full name too. You have full name now, you know, mommy.
Yeah, the boss.
So, yeah. So, yeah, I'm a real mother now.
Yeah.
Not true?
Yeah, the boss. Remember say you like you pick better your mommy, you know, than come pick your rusting breadfruit. Who need rusting breadfruit? Oh my God, they look like they're easy for rust, you know. They look fresh and nice.
I want to just pick up.
Carrot juice. I'm going to blend it and squeeze some lemon in there, okay? Or ginger, lemon or ginger.
And what carrot good for?
Good for nerves. Good for nerves.
They're doing it for their graduation. But had I had known about it before, then she could have participated in that graduation. But she.
Time
This
that.
is the time to go in the cold food. It gives it taste and peace. Okay, remember me to buy butterbeer.
Show them the time.
Ah, whenever I want to come to the store, pick up on the time, okay?
Because
It's
time is money.
time is give you a pot, a nice flavor. Come down, pick up from the money. Come, let's go.
So, mommy, how you left the cart with me and I you for push your car?
Remember, you're nice, strong, you know. I owe other money, so yeah, we'll fix it.
What you said is that if you want to be a pastor, the Lord is thankfully following you. Because
Where's you're bright. Who you say I owe have the money?
Yeah,
So you hire me for you there.
yeah. Nice. No, no. Oh, Lord. Hard purpose. So it's 99. Oh, flower real done.
I go on.
yeah.
You watch me?
Yes.
Where you from?
Jamaica.
Yeah?
Jamaican.
Alright, bless up yourself.
What are you
From
mean?
Clarendon.
What look like you're born here though?
No, I was born in Jamaica, but I was raised here.
Okay, okay.
Caledonian.
Yeah.
Bless up here. Let's move me your flower that way again. Franny say all purpose up on it.
Mm-hmm.
I'll get one bun.
You know, buy one of them good bread. I choose two bread there.
Me you not go there, mommy, so. People they want to see a bossa dance, mommy. Turn around and dance to them. Boy, look like I one dance here still no mommy.
We have 26 dance. How are you talking about?
One different one there?
Yeah.
You look the same to me, mommy. You look the same to me, mommy. You look the same for real. You have to switch up drastically. Yeah. Yeah. That's a one new one.
If I say you take me for mascot,
Yes, mommy.
they real reggae. So we just a dance.
Oh, all right.
Oh, keep the street, they call you, man. How are you?
Good man. I love you. I love you. I
I
love you.
love you too.
Where you come from?
Jamaica.
No, she come from Saint Vincent. Me know me yard people them.
Same thing.
Saint? Yeah, me can't tell. Cause you look
And then we are now one. Big up yourself, yeah, mama.
Every time. Every time.
Yeah.
one.
Congratulations on the house, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you, sweetie.
Let's take a visit and come.
Come book it in. And every time you want go Saint, you know. I'm moving fan, sir.
Yes, I'm my father, yes. I wish you don't call master. You want some kidney too, then?
Why you love your kidney, Demi?
Yeah, kidney and cow foot. No chicken foot, you know.
Miss Levy.
So we had to call on Marsha for we, you know.
Miss Levy.
One. What your name, Marsha?
Yeah.
I saw my sister name, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mad.
Marsha. They're not up here trouble.
And that keep her young, you know.
That's true. Yeah.
And make her heart pump, you know them way there?
Yeah. Eh?
One. So you buy her for all of them that me can't get none. Bless himself. Bless up, yeah.
Keep on with it.
Yeah, man, me not stop.
So let's leave it.
That's school.
That's cool.
To that school, you see me?
But I see place you say about I watch there.
Eh.
Yeah, man. Love it, man.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
We are do the right thing, you see me?
Oh, keep yourself.
Bless up. And which side you come from?
Straight on.
Seaton?
Yeah, man.
Ah, just up, you know how I go on then.
Straight on, man.
Let's say a word, yeah?
Every time, yeah?
Alright, fam.
Yeah, man.
One more shop on here, man.
Marsha,
I sent you come from, too?
Dolly.
Wait, one bus, Dolly? What?
St. Elizabeth, you come from? Yeah. Yes, you have the color.
So look here, you not get damaged.
Yeah, man, the place, mother place, mash up, you know. But we are billion. But people them not raise the price, them man, for everything.
Buy some stuff go out Ochi side, go buy stuff if you can.
Oh.
No buy nowhere close there, so.
That's
There's
why.
a place that me follow name pan when you KJ.
Yes, KJ. Yes.
Yeah.
In my deal with food package. Yes.
KJ, if you watch my video, me a big up your thing.
What's up with that rabbit? What's up with that rabbit? She good with it, she good with it. And all over my carrot. Took her straight to
The cow foot, yeah. Where Maca Diamond said,
You want me call foot?
me want me cow foot. And me need me cow foot. Big up on yourself. Come and get some cow foot right now.
You don't mind up on the camera? Okay, because I know everybody there. Are you come from?
Yeah, man.
Which part of yard? Mandeville.
Yeah, man.
Yard in the yard, you know.
People.
Yes,
The boss I go and see wife video over there, sir. One Trinidad. Boss get some cow food. Alright.
let's get some cow foot too, you know. Yes.
Everything going.
What you mean?
Yes, sir. You want to see yourself?
Yeah, man. I eagle for life, man. That's the
Go
end.
viral now, you know. You can't tell the wife in China. Look there.
You shy too. Yes, one eagle upon the up.
Eagle for life.
Big up somebody, eagle. Big up
Who
somebody.
you want big
Big
up?
up the whole of Mandeville. Big up TJ Chris, Zodiac son, one Zodiac. Whole of Mandeville. Big up Porous. Everybody, you don't know who know me. You're going to put yourself here.
Mad. Blessings to you, bro. Alright.
Brown rice, me always get, but me feel like me would have eat some jobs, man. Okay. That was me. I don't always think about that.
That's what you do. You drop the people and stuff.
And we found it. Yes, people, we need some yard, you know. Well, we are one. Sometimes we can't bother with the tough crackers, you know. Some the tough crackers, so we take it soft crackers, you know.
How was that name?
It's them cream crackers. Excelsior cream crackers, Jamaica flavor. Yeah, we have to support Jamaica. Yeah. $1.19. We have to go. Sometimes you have some little biscuit with no streets. You know, say the Marian love this to them. You know?
Yeah, man.
We change. We done, you know. Yes, people, big up on yourself, you know. Take up. Should I take up one bag of shrimp, you know? Me like it when you curry with white rice. You don't like it? All this right, you know, is boogo.
I'm out.
Yes, people. Well, I'm a great day today. I want to cool day.
Are you not check out it? After you check out your day, you're gonna be ruined.
In what way?
Now you see $100 you have to spend.
Me never have $100. No, nobody tell no lie.
No, you see $100 you have to spend. Me never say $100 you have. You understand? $100 you have to spend.
Can I say that? Yeah, you prefer jump.
That means your money you'll get somewhere.
Oh, yeah, no, I am.
Let me see if it a jump. Hold on. Don't move it. I jump for real, mama. You know, yeah, I jump then say something I go happen.
No, sometime I rain never fall. Me always mark it, my rain never fall. Rain is going to fall. You know, so sure I pick up some one bucket of vinegar though.
The vinegar in the house, are you not sure?
I'm not sure.
She know what's up. She know she don't. Body like drugs, and I need another dose.
You don't. Yeah, you never eat blowjobs. Yeah.
No. Say that, bro.
Let's be honest. You never ever eat blowjobs?
No. Bro, that's because
Alright, let me talk to you.
that
You ever eat blowjobs?
Yeah.
Shay.
Cornmeal and stuff.
Shay.
I mean, we eat blue jaws.
You eat blue
It's a brawling one. You eat blowjobs?
I mean,
Shay.
when I eat dukuno, blue
I didn't
jaws.
know what y'all
Alright, let me. Shay, your boyfriend eat blowjobs?
I don't know. It sounds like you're saying blue balls.
No.
John,
Blue
John.
jaws.
John.
Huh?
Yeah, blowjobs?
Come here, money.
So look here now,
Eh,
Your brother, where I drive, eat blowjobs?
What most?
You never see me do that. You never see me do that yet. So that is a big no.
A dear one, guys. Me know this is one in front of my baby. Me know in front of my baby when he used to love wear holy brief. A beer brief this one.
Freedom, dog.
Remember, you know?
Freedom.
Holy brief. We'll change the name from you know to brief.
Only.
How will we know John
I
for now?
never have a pants where not the holding like back eye.
For real, and look how bro clean it now. Eh? When say you have pants without no hole, not true?
Whoa. What are you talking about?
Pants.
I don't understand that. I
That's
say I
foreign to your blowjobs eater.
say I only want things where I don't.
I don't.
No, I don't want that.
Say much wrong.
What's wrong, bro? I've watched myself with you. Yes, you say I only want things.
Much wrong.
Yeah, brother, so I explain.
I had to look it up.
You figure it out?
So that's a blowjobs. Shay. So John ever eat that?
No, I ain't never ate it.
What about John?
I never gonna make you fish eat, but I lunch in school, man. I never for breakfast.
Yeah, man.
Come on, they're only for full day and they need no lunch.
No lunch. Blowjobs and water. Pipe gully water.
Which is right.
Which is right.
Best spring water.
Oh, good, man. We there you go up on the gun range, guys. That's a little mini vlog. So, good man, right there, so. Besides, say, I'm going to take away a gun range, outdoor gun range. You have about 100 rifle in her trunk. And she over there, she's American. She says she feel like she's in Africa. The safari.
Turn the camera around. I see you driving through. I'm gonna see a giraffe here in a minute.
There is a drive-through soon down here though.
Really?
Not this spot, but further down here.
Yeah, for real, we're in Africa. Ethiopia. Ghana.
Sierra Leone.
Zimbabwe.
What's up with that rabbit? What's up with that rabbit? She good with it, she
So you look on your focus. Never see my friend focus set, you know.
Yeah, okay.
Guys are at the gun range. Take over. This is the logo. Okay, guys, so we have some ammos. I got some right here. John have some right there. So she dad is ex-military, so she been shooting from she was 5. So
Not 5.
you know she's gonna be our trainer. That's it all, guys. So you gonna expose me, bro?
Come on, right here.
Unbuckle.
I got my 30.
Guys, when is Thanksgiving? You have enough target?
Yeah, but full amount, yeah. So if I want to carry one, carry.
Right.
Over there.
You chop it up. Jenny, that boy.
Well, look like you can't sweep good door, bro.
Fuck that what they doing, keep